Hey, it's the Killerish51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at my top 5 favorite cases for the iPhone XR. So you can pick up these cases off of Amazon. Links are in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So coming in number 1 is the Dream 2-in-1 wallet case. So the price $40. Kind of pricey, but well worth the money. So yeah, what this is a wallet case, of course. So you can use it as a wallet case, or you can use the case standalone, as you can see. Okay, so now let's go ahead and slap on my iPhone XR here. So this is what it'll look like. So you get your Dream logo, as you can see there. Okay, so like I said, you can use this as a standalone case, or you can use it with the wallet. So boom, let's slap it onto the wallet. Boom, as you can see. So it looks pretty cool. So you can drop your money in here, you can put your credit cards in here. And then if you drop it on the table, if you're going out to dinner, people will walk by and see this case. So that is the 2-in-1 wallet case by Dream. So as you can see, it's easy to take it off and on. Okay, so that is number 1. So coming in number 2 is the Ghost Tech Atomic case. So the price $25. So you get aluminium volume up and down, as well as the power button. So let's go ahead and slap it onto the phone. So you can see through your phone, as you can see here. So I have a slick wrap skins on mine. So you get, like I said, you get aluminium power button as well as volume up and down. You get a lay on the table design, so if you put your phone face down, it will not scratch up your screen. And then you get the Atomic branding right there, as well as the Ghost Tech branding. And so yeah, so now let's go ahead and take off this case. This case is a little difficult to take on and off, but not that difficult. So yeah, so that is the Ghost Tech Atomic. So coming in number 3 is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. So basically this is a clear case. And so yeah, so the price $12. So let's go ahead and slap it onto the iPhone XR. So you can showcase whatever color iPhone you have. In this case I have the red, so it looks pretty cool. So you get your covered power button as well as the volume up and down. You get your cutouts for the mute switch. And then you get your cutouts for the speakers as well as the lightning port. You get a lay on the table design. So if you put your phone face down, it will not scratch up your screen, which is pretty cool. So that is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Okay, so that is number 3. So coming in number 4 is the Nomad Rugged case. So what I like about this case is you can attach a moment lens, which I'll show you what lens I got. So let's go ahead and slap it onto the iPhone XR here. Looks pretty cool. So this is what it'll look like. Okay, you get your covered volume up and down as well as the power switch. And you get a cutout for the mute and silent switch, as well as the bottom is wide open. As you can see, not wide open, but you get your cutouts. You know what I mean. You don't get lay on the table design with this case, so as you can see. So yeah. So if you put your phone face down, you can scratch your screen. But I have a tempered glass screen protector, so I don't really care if I scratch my screen. So yeah. So here is the moment lens that I got. So this is the wide angle lens. So you can pick it up off of Amazon. It's $119, which is kind of pricey. So it's $120. So yeah. So let's go ahead and show you the standalone camera, as you can see here. So this is the standalone camera. So now let's go ahead and attach the lens on here. Boom, so let's take off this cover here, if I can. Okay, so now let's show you the camera app now. So as you can see, now it's wide angle, so it looks pretty cool. So yeah, So that is the Nomad rugged case, as well as the Nomad, as well as the Moment lens I meant. So that is number 4. So the last case that I have for you guys is the Apple Smart Battery case. I did an unboxing of this. If you haven't checked it out, links are in the description. So what I like about this case is it charges your phone, of course, and I like the built-in integration. So it tells you what battery percentage you're at if you go to your widgets, as you could see there. And this charges via lightning, of course. And so yeah, so now let's go ahead and take this off. And boom, so those are my top 5 cases. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up, helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.